First, I'd like to begin by showing what the non-administrative member would see once they log in. In the 2.0 version, the public page, not logged in, will show more options than what we have now. In other words, before login, what anyone can see will be expanded to have options to keep or show certain areas. This would be an admin option. For example, full calendar, game schedule and results, and roster, just to name a few. When logging in, wait to see the success info in green highlighting. Then click on the dashboard tab. This is a result of the changes made when the last developer was trying to fix this WordPress site. As you can see on this page, I'm logged in as a player or a non-admin person. You'll see the name of the organization at the top and whatever the pictures they decide to use. It could be their logo. Below this, you will see the full calendar, which should have any of the scheduled events or games on it in their specific color as per the color key below. Each event or game that is on the calendar should be linkable to the page for that particular event. If it's a game, it would go to the game schedule and results. Going to the calendar section just shows it in a more specific manner. This should actually be larger, but for some reason, when it was being fixed, it became smaller. The calendar should show all the games and events that have been created. Each game or event is also clickable as a link to that area within the team's website. The color key below shows the difference or the different type of events that can be created. The next area is the game schedule and results. First, you will choose which team. You are then able to click on that specific game, which will give you an expanded look at the specific game. On a video, if a video has been uploaded for that game, you will be able to click on it and go to the video page. You will then be able to view the game, pause it, make comments below like any other similar social type page. The next section is the game videos. It's a different way to get there basically. This will show only the games that have videos uploaded. This will then lead you to the game video. It would be better if it led you directly to that video page instead of back through the schedule like you saw here. The next section is the roster. Again, you first choose the team, which takes you to that team's roster. Each player on the roster has a link to their profile page. The next tab is the file folders. This should be working, but it is not. It's simple, file sharing area. You should be able to create a folder, then upload files to that folder. The next tab or section is the photo/fan video albums. First, choose video or photo area. Here you will either create a new album or choose one of the existing albums. Here you can upload a video if it is under 64 meg. Most often you should use a YouTube video and its embed code. It's very, very simple as you can see here. Once it is uploaded, it can be viewed. Ideally, it should have a comment section below. This was supposed to still be here. The comments area makes it more interactive and social. Going back to the photo albums section, you will see that it is very similar to the fan video section. You can create a new album or choose an existing album and view those images. Again, ideally, there should be a comment area below each image. The next tab is My Inbox tab under the My Lockers section. This is a fairly simple section with an inbox, outbox, and a sent mailbox. As you can see in the send box, it is similar to other email or messaging programs. The next tab is the My Profile and Options area. This was a far more expanded area at one time. Must have been changed after they tried to fix the site. There was an area in here for your avatar picture and for your profile picture. There were also areas to edit your position, your year, hometown, and fill in or paste in your resume. This actually looks like what the admin screen looked like for editing a player's profile. In this next tab called the Control Alert Message, you see where you can turn on or off different alert messages. As you may have noticed, every time someone uploads a game video or a fan video or a picture or makes a change on the calendar, you receive an email alerting you and letting you know of this. If you don't want to receive all of these emails, you can simply just turn them off. The final tab is the Refer STN to a Team tab. This is where you would do your referrals to other teams. Fairly self-explanatory. The name in the email goes in the blank areas, and notice in the body of the letter that there is a discount code already in place. This code is created at the very beginning when the site is first purchased. It is automatically placed here for every member that comes on board. All members get the same discount code, which is unique to your organization for credit. Okay, now here's what it looks like when logged in as a member with admin privileges. The first tab, called Manage Members, is specifically for admin to add specific types of members. As you can see, you can add players, coaches, parents, alumni, and family and friends. When they are added, they will receive their login information by email. When adding a coach, you're given an option for admin access or no admin access. The default is no admin access. The next tab, Edit Team Options, is also exclusively for admin. Here you can change the homepage name, the picture, and the names of each team. This is also where you can change the PayPal ID email for the referral or affiliate commission. Going to the Calendar tab again, you can see that now you can add a new event or a game. The Game Schedule and Results tab now has edit buttons specifically for admin. There's also now a new tab called Upload Game Video, which is exclusive to admin. This area is fairly self-explanatory. Under Game Videos, you will now see an Edit button. You will also see a new column called Game Exchange with an Invite Coach button. This is where you can invite another coach to view a specific game of yours. That coach will only be able to see that game, the video for that game, and not be able to see anything else within your organization's site. Under the Roster tab, you will now be able to edit the roster as an admin. Oddly enough, the edit function for admin now looks like the player profile area that used to exist. It appears that the two sections somehow were switched. As an admin in this section, you can now change all the information I spoke of earlier. Very odd that they switched like that. That is the whole of it as it exists or existed now. I'm available anytime for questions on any of this.